Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can install Kubernetes kubectl command line tool. Kubectl allows you to run command against your Kubernetes clusters to do things like deploy application, inspect, manage your cluster resources, and also view some diagnostic logs. So let's get started. So if you search on your internet, if you search how to install kubectl, this is the web page that comes up with it. So if you go install kubectl and you scroll down, I'm running on a Windows platform here, so just gonna go Windows here. So on this website here, it says to run a curl command. Now this curl command, I know is available on both PowerShell and command prompt, but it's only applicable for command prompt. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm gonna minimize this guy here. I already copied on the clipboard, so I'm gonna launch a PowerShell in here. PowerShell, and it's this blue screen here, and I'm gonna make it a bit bigger so you can see it, and copy paste the same command by the clipboard. So if I hit enter, it'll give you a whole entourage of error message saying that this -lo is not found, right? So you can't really run this command through your PowerShell. What you need is actually a DOS command prompt itself, cmd. Here, in here, you press paste it again, and when you hit enter, you can see that it runs and downloads that kubectl.exe. And this kubectl.exe get downloaded not on your download directory, but actually on your user / your username directory here. So if I go dir kube asterisk here and hit enter, you can see that the kubectl is actually on this directory here. That's why if you run kubectl, enter, you can see that your kubectl is actually available for you. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Other than that, have a good day. Bye now.